Welcome to day 3. So far, we've covered why the Forex market exists and what moves it. Then we zoomed in to look at how to read candlesticks, and now we're zooming out to look at the price zones that dealers love to work around, and that's support and resistance. Now, this is probably the most overused and misunderstood concept in retail trading, but when you know how to use it, you learn where the manipulation happens, and it becomes a very powerful tool. So first up, what is support? Think of support as the market's price floor. It's a level where price has fallen to and then bounces back up, like a ball hitting the ground, or where dealers decide to stop or reverse price. What is resistance? Well, if support is the floor, then resistance is the ceiling. It's the level that price pushes up to and then stops. So think of it like a roof. Price can touch it, maybe even press against it, go slightly beyond it, but it usually bounces back down. When a broken level switches roles, that is when support is turning into resistance or resistance turning into support, we call that a key level. So former support can turn into new resistance, and former resistance can turn into new support. Price doesn't just bounce or reverse at random. It reacts to specific areas, and when it breaks them, it often comes back to test them again before continuing. Now, why do these levels matter? Well, support and resistance give your chart structure. They help you mark the zones where price may reverse. They help you spot patterns like railroad tracks and spikes, which we'll see in the charts. And it helps you to stop guessing where to enter. Now, here's what most beginners don't realize yet, is that these zones are high activity areas. Big players, including the market makers, use these spots to make their moves. Here's how to spot strong support and resistance zones. You look for the areas where price has bounced more than once. The more confirmation you have, the more attention that level deserves. All right, with that, we're going to go practice spotting our own support and resistance. So open Trading View, and we'll get started. Let's go to the charts.